Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and today I have with me.
Hi, I'm Ridan. Vivan. Anya.
Alright, so I have these kids with me to play a game of a quiz of anagrams. Okay, do you guys know what anagrams are?
Yes.
You know. Oh, very smart kids. Okay, let me just tell you. Anagrams are words which are made from by rearranging the letters from another word. So you don't do any additional letters. For example, I will give you the word tool. Okay, you have to rearrange the words and make another word out of it. What? Loot. Exactly. So this is how you will have to make it. Okay, I have given you papers and pens just in case when I give you the word, you can write it down so you can think better. Okay, as soon as you get the answer, just say it out. Okay, so Ridan is in one team and Anya and Vivan are in one team. All right, guys, ready? I can see the competitive spirit in them. All right, so are you guys ready? Shall we start the quiz?
Yes.
Okay, ready. Let's go. The first word for today's anagram quiz is beak. B-E-A-K. Beak.
Keep.
Beak. B for boy. B-E-A-K. Beak. What could it be? Come on, rearrange the words. What word can you make out of it? Come on, guys. B-E-A-K. Guys, have you found it out yet? I have one word. Maybe you might have another one. So it's not necessary that there can be only one word. There can be multiple words that you can make out of them. Come on. Okay, starts. Okay, the other word that I'm looking for also starts with B. I'm giving you a clue. B. Starts with B. Come on, Radan. Think.
Bake.
Bake. Exactly. Bake it is. Okay. Starts with B. Okay. So I gave you a clue for this one. The next one I will not. Okay. You guys have to think a little. Okay. Think fast. Okay, Radan? Yes. Okay. Ready. Next one is deer. D-E-A-R. D-E-A-R. Deer. What did you say?
Read.
Read. Okay. Spell out the read.
R-E-E-D.
D-E-
R-E-A-D.
Read. Okay, correct. It is read. Exactly. Vivan got it right. The second one, read it is. So deer and read. Okay, great. Next one. Fade. F-A-D-E. Fade. Come on, guys. Think. What can you make? I have one. Maybe you guys can think of another one.
Deaf.
Huh?
Deaf.
No.
Deaf.
Exactly. For a second, I thought it was deaf, and you said, "What is he saying? I'm not able to understand the deaf." It is D-E-A-F. Deaf. Correct. Deaf. Come on, Radan. Go next. Next one is very easy. Okay. It is sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. You just have to interchange places of two letters.
Ching.
No. Sing. Interchange the places. It has to have the same letters, Ridan. Come on, sing. Come on, guys.
Jinx.
No. No. What is jinx? How will you get jinx? Kuch bhi. Starts with S. This one also. And I give you already another clue that you have to change.
Snig.
No. Okay, this is what I'll tell you the meaning of the word that is. Okay, generally you do this on checks.
Sign.
Sign it is. So sign ki spell. What is the spelling of sign?
S-I-G-N.
So see, I told you, you just have to interchange two letters. G and N have to be changed. Okay, next one. Ready, guys? Ache. A-C-H-E. Ache. Like we say headache, handache, leg ache. Ache means pain. So ache.
Kitch. What's kitch?
You are just saying kitch and then you are saying what is kitch. Come on.
Hack.
No, how can it be hack? Hack has a K. This doesn't have a K. Come on, ache.
Hatchy.
Okay, so in this one, you just take one letter, put it in the beginning, and the new word comes. The anagram is here.
Yacht.
You are kind of close though, Vivan. Just think properly.
Each.
Each, exactly. He said yacht. Although he understood the logic where I said one letter will go back and the other word comes in. Each. Each it is. Okay, good. Think and answer. Don't just bobble. Ridan, come on. Think. Get in. Okay, next one. Tone. T-O-N-E. Tone.
Note.
Good one. That was quick, Vivan. Okay. Next one. Okay. This is lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Come on. There are 2-3 words that I have with me in this one. Come on.
Leak.
Leak. Correct. Leak. Yes, it is leak. Okay. So the other word that I have, were you able to make that one? Give me your answer in the comments. Alright, let's go to the next one. Tuna. T-U-N-A. Tuna.
T-U-N-A. Natto.
We're not asking for songs over here. Natu, no. It's a proper English word. So, what is the anagram for tuna? Tuna or tuna?
Nuta.
Hey, nahi, what is Nutella? What does it
Nutella.
mean?
It's not Nutella, okay? Don't feel hungry.
No. Come on. Okay, I'll give you a clue. It is a way where we refer a lady. Kids will refer a lady or a relative.
Mom. Aunt.
Relative. Yes! Ridan got this one. Aunt it is. Yes, come on Ridan, you're getting into the game now.
Not
Very
that
good.
easy.
Next one. Alright. The next one is grin. G-R-I-N. Grin.
G-R-I-N.
Similar to each, here also just one letter needs to be moved and the word will come in. The new anagram word will come. Come on.
Grin. Grin. Where is A?
Grin. So you have to rearrange the words. Grin. One letter, you move it and the new word forms. Just one letter. Just move one letter. If I give you
Nirjan. What's Nirjan?
You have to tell me. You are the one who said that word. You tell me now.
I
You
don't
tell me the meaning. Come on, Ridan. Come on, Vivan.
Is N.
Anya.
Shuffle the words and see the one word.
Nigrin.
Change the position of the words.
Come on, change. Guys, anagrams, like I told you, you just have
Iron.
to replace the letters. No, Vivan. Iron is what? How will you spell it? Where is the G?
I-R-O-N.
Yeah, where is the G?
Ring.
Okay, ring it is. That's exactly what I told you. One word, take it and move it. So grin, take the G, put it in the end instead of the beginning, it becomes a ring. Good one. Next one. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. The anagram of this one is very simple. Because, shall I give you the clue?
No. Hey, what's your
Because it sounds exactly like the earlier word.
Bring.
Hey, G ka hai.
ING. There's
I
no
said
N.
it sounds exactly like this other word, but the
Bear.
spell it. And because I'm saying it sounds exactly the same, we're just saying it.
No, bearing the pain. Bear.
So say no. Bear that pain. Bearing the pain is this bear only.
Then the bear.
That is also this bear only. It is where you use the word in what context you're using is where the meaning changes. Guys, I've given the answer. They're not able to just give me the right spelling for it.
Bray.
It sounds exactly like the word that I've given you. Bear.
B-A-E-R.
You're kind
Bear.
of B. Bolo spelling.
B-A-R-E.
Bear. B-A-R-E, Ridan. That is correct. So the bear which we have is B-E-A-R. You bear the pain, you bear the look. This bear has a different meaning. So this bear is naked, not having, like we say barefoot, he's barefoot, you know, that way. Okay, good one, Ridan. Got that somehow after a long time. Okay, this is very simple. Next one. Thin. T-H-I-N. Thin. Similar to grin. This also you just move one letter and then
Hint.
Good
Very
one.
good. Super.
Huh?
She
She
told.
said it. Very good, Anya. High five. I didn't know. Should have
I-
told it loudly. No.
I told him goes here, the water goes.
Okay. So hint is correct. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Edit. E-D-I-T. Edit.
Diet. Diet.
Diet. Good one. Although that was not what I had on my list. But diet is correct. Can you give me another one? If you give me another one, I'll give you an extra point for that.
Yes.
Come on,
Yeah,
come on.
focus,
come on,
focus.
Ridan. Try if you can. I'll give
Diet.
you. No.
D-E-I-T.
No. D-I-E-T is correct. Diet. Okay. What could be the other one? This is used. You see them in the sea. Exactly.
Tide.
Right, the way
Extra point.
Yeah, I will give you the extra point. Don't worry. I told you I'll give you the extra point. Okay, the next one. This is wake. W-A-K-E. Wake. The wake up wala wake. What it could be?
Weak.
Yes, correct. Good one, Radan. Week. It is week. W-E-A-K. Week. Correct. Okay. The next one. The next one is hose. H-O-S-E. Hose. The pipe hose wala hose. What it could be? Come on, Radan, you're trying. You got
Sauce.
the first letter right.
Sauce.
No.
It is starts from H or S. That is clearly tell.
Okay.
It is starts from H or S, not
Good
from,
logic. That is correct.
but from S. Shows.
No.
Am I spelling it wrong? Shows. Show.
No. Spell it. Spell it. Spell it and tell it correctly.
S-E-O.
No.
S-O-E. Shows.
No. What is this?
S-H-O-S.
Where is the S? H-O-S-E is the word. Hose.
Where is? Oh, you told E, yeah.
Yeah.
Shoes.
Can't be shoes.
How? Shoe.
Shoe. S.
I wrote it wrong. I wrote
That's why I
O.
told you got the first letter right. You were thinking in the
I
correct
wrote O. That's why I wrote O over here.
H-O-S-S. You've written it wrong. I told H-O-S-E.
You
So
told
shoe
O.
it is. Okay. Hose, shoe. That is perfect. Okay. The next one. Okay. Ready? Bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. Or bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. So the bowl or the bowl, whichever bowl.
Lob.
B-O-W-L.
Sorry, that's the tennis title.
L. Don't tell me you've written it wrong. It's write it like an L. Otherwise you
Yeah,
can
it's
think
an
E. Come on. The clue here is starts with the same letter.
Below.
You're saying it wrong. Ridan just said you've written it.
Below.
Exactly.
No, below.
You said below. Below, likhe bhi bhai. You're not saying it, Ridan. You've written it. Below is the correct answer. All right. We are now on the bonus question. 2 points for this one. Ready, guys? Ready, both of you?
Not ready. You go this
Okay.
time.
This one is skin. S-K-I-N. Skin.
Kins.
Kins is there, but because it's a plural, I won't accept that. There's only one
Kin.
word. Huh?
Kin.
No. But where will the S go? You need to use all the 4 letters. So you have to rearrange all the letters in the word to make the anagram. Come on.
Next.
Come on, guys. I want to give you a clue. Shall I give you the clue?
No, wait a minute. I got it. I just don't know how to keep it.
starts with the same
Yeah.
letter. Starts with the same letter.
Sink.
Perfect! Vedan got it. Sink is correct. Yes, skin and sink. Alright. Okay, before I announce the winner for today's quiz, here is the question for you guys. Alright. So, give me the anagram word for plum. 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 Okay? If you know the answer, leave your answer in the comments and let's see who gets it right. One lucky winner from the correct answers will be chosen and will get a gift from All in a Game. So if you guys know the correct answer, don't forget to comment. So the winner for today's quiz is Vivan and Anya.
Yes.
Oh, I think you just lost. It's okay.
Exactly. It's okay. Ridan, you're gonna come back stronger next time,
Sure.
right? Yes.
Next time,
All
not
right.
in this.
Yeah, I mean, we'll obviously have some other
Sure.
quiz. All right. Good one, Anya. Good one, Vivan. You guys did well. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed today's quiz. And if you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, stay updated on all our latest quizzes and videos. Until then, we'll see you all soon. Bye.